Hello friend, in this video we can find the value of x. So solution from here. Dear student, firstly if you are new in my channel then kindly subscribe to my channel. So let's solve this question together. Firstly I can write the question is 50 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of x. Dear student, you know here in denominator 1 is present. So here by cross multiplication I can write the given step is 5 to the power of x multiplied to 5 to the power of x is equal to 50 times 1. I can here this step by cross multiplication I can write it. So now in the next step I can write it is 5 to the power of x whole square is equal to 50 times 1 equals 50. Now here I can use one rule, which is m to the power of p whole to the power of n is equal to, I can write m n p. Okay, so I can apply this rule on this step, so it becomes 5 to the power of 2x, okay, is equal to 50. Now this is an exponential form of this question, but we can further simplify this 50. So I can write it as 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 25 times 2. Now I divide both sides by 25. So 25 and 25 will be cancelled with each other, and I can just write here 5 to the power of 2x divided by 25 equals to 2. Now in the next step I can write it as 5 to the power of 2x divided by 25 I can write as 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 2. Now here again I use one rule, which is p to the power of m divided by p to the power of a is equal to p to the power of m minus a. Now I can apply this rule on the above step. So we can write this as 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Now this is an exponential form, and now I apply log on both sides. So log 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 is equal to log 2 because I apply both side log. Now I apply from left side one rule, which is log m to the power of a is equal to a log m. Okay, I apply this rule on the left side equation, so it can be written as 2x minus 2 bracket 1 log 5 is equal to log 2. Dear student, I divide both sides by log 5 because we can remove this log 5. So I divide both sides by log 5. Here this log 5 and this log 5 cancel with each other, and only remaining 2x minus 2 is equal to log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so now I apply on the right side again one rule, which is log m divided by log p is equal to log m base p. So it can be written as the above 2x minus 2 is equal to log 2 base 5 plus 2. Now I add, excuse me, here is not 2, so I can remove it. In the next step, I add both side positive 2, so I can here add and here add positive 2, so this become cancel and 2x is equal to log 2 base 5 plus it can be equals to plus 2. Now I divide both side by 2. So I divide here 2, here 2 and here 2. These 2 and these 2 cancel with each other. Also these 2 and these 2 will be cancel each other, and x is equal to log 2 base 5 whole divided by 2 plus 1. So here the value of x is equal to 1 over 2 log 2 base 5 plus 1 is the final answer of this math problem. So if you enjoy my video, then please subscribe to my channel for more this type of math question. Thanks for watching. Dear student, also tell me in the comment section that either you enjoy my video or not, and also give me suggestion that which thing I improve my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.